We have less than 24 hours to get this 1989 Pontiac Trans Am ready for the car show. Can we get it done in time? Watch the rest of the video to find out, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Before we move on to the wash, I wanted to give a quick overview of this vehicle's history. It only has 63,000 miles as of right now and was purchased back in 2010 with 47,000 miles. For more about this vehicle, make sure to follow the owner on Instagram. Dirty wheels, P&S brake buster to the rescue. Diluted 4-to-1, paired up with my soft bristle work stuff brush so that I don't damage the finish. We were able to get these babies looking phenomenal. Here's a quick look at the finished product. What do you guys think of that tire dressing? Too shiny? Not shiny enough? Let me know in the comments. See, I always do the wheels last. You end up getting them wet again. This is the first time I do wheels first in a long time. And we're around again, so what's the point of doing them first is my take on it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. We were talking about O&R at the beginning and all the lubricity it adds. See, you don't need a soapy solution in your bucket if you're gonna foam it. You need extra lubricity. And that's what we get out of the O&R. We want lubricity because we don't want to scratch this car while we're washing it. And that lubricity protects you from scratching. So all the hard work paid off. Doug goes on to win 3rd place in his class, but this is the last you'll see of this car in this channel. Next month, Doug is taking it to Austin and entering it into the Radwood show. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more of this car, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment. Go, detailer, go.